Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We have the continuation of doing the Z motor assemblies. Last time I had said that we had done the left. This is actually the right that we started with. The manual, it says the right on the top, so that is what we had actually done, was the right two. So now we need to do the left two. So, again, we are following the wiki guide on Fysetc. So, 2.1.2 Z motor assembly is seen there. Okay, and then we're going to scroll down, and I think it's kind of funny because it says right here, instead of left, it says lift. So I just thought that that was kind of funny, something very simple that they could have switched one letter, missed it by that much, okay? But we are going to be doing the left now, as the two rights are here. We got this one and this one, both identical. Okay, so let's go ahead. First thing it wants us to do, paying attention to where this electrical connector is. It says that multiple times. So on the left, you can see the electrical connectors there, and we are removing the bottom two correlation of that. Okay. And again, we're going to try and do everything synchronized. So if we do one, we'll do the other one, just so we kind of get through it a little bit quicker. Little dab. And again, these are the M3 by 8 button head cap screw. It says it in blue on the guide. That should be linked in there. Another shout out to Fabrico for the idlers, even though they didn't work out. Again, I really appreciate them taking them back. I'm not sure if it's within their 45-day window. It took a while to get the printer, and it wasn't their fault. It was purely on Fysetc, but just a shout out to them. Really like them, stand-up people. Hector's really good guy, really taking care of me on this one. So okay, there's one. Now we'll do the second one. Alright. This one's a tiny bit crooked, so I'm gonna just bump these loose. Alright. Perfect. So these are the same. Now we need 3 M3 by 30 socket head cap screws. 3 of those. And 2 M3 by 25 socket head cap screws. And let's see. So this is going to be the opposite where we had it before. And we need 3 of these. These go on the 30 mils. Again, these are the little spacer. And then these are the spacer with the shoulder, the short stubby ones. These go on the 25 mil screw with the bearing stack. Grab a couple of these. Okay, then we need the shim. put this in here. There's one. There's two. Now we'll go ahead and do the other one since we got it here. Two more 25mm. Three more 30mm. Because again, we're doing both of these motors. We're doing them together, so that's why I got more bearings here. I'll grab these, so let's put these through here. So these are the these are the 25mm. And these are the 30mm. Okay. And then on a 25mm, we're going to grab this 1/2 mil shim, put that on there. I'll take the last two of these with the shoulder that I showed you before. And the last three sleeves. Okay. Now let's see how this is gonna go. So when we're looking at it like this. So it goes on like this. Perfect. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a dab of Loctite in here for the 25mm. Holes here, we'll grab, I think it's, let's see, I think it's the 2.5 or 3. Let's see, we'll grab both of these. Forget which one it is. So we're prepared for either one. The 2.5mm is the winner. And again, on those going into aluminum, definitely do not want those to strip out. You will have a very rough day if they do. Okay. Now the other one. Oh boy, I missed holding the screw. I was not holding it. Okay, there's that. You know what, while I got this, hit it with the Loctite right in the hole there. And they both roll really nice. Very free. They're perfect. No play in them. Oh. And we'll put this screw back in. Okay. Wipe the excess Loctite off. Now we are ready to put it on the motor. So we're going to Loctite those three. Right here, and the motor on 1, 2, and 3. Again, a very much emphasis on this electrical plug here. So and this. Oh, we gotta put I'm gonna put this on. What a goof. Almost didn't have anything on here. So again, just hitting these set screws on the motor pulley, which is a little bit of Loctite. Okay. And the bump test. Okay. Bump test good. We're ready to rock. So now this goes like this. Again, continuing the like cross torque pattern. I know you only have 3 screws and it's really not cross torque, but just doing 1 screw at a time until they're all tight. I feel like it's going to suction up better to the face, the motor plate, the face plate of that motor a little bit better. Okay. Now we'll mount this one and then we'll do the tail end of it. Okay, nice and tight on there. Nice and tight on there. Now let's figure out which one's the, so it goes like this. Looks like 1, 2, 3. It's going to be on there. Let's see. Yep, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now we have both of our left motors. And we have these two, and these take these 60 millimeter M3s. I took two out, and I forgot to take the other two out of the other motor. So, take those out real quick. Some people are saying that these were hard. I wonder if they pre-removed them from the factory or something, because these were very easy to take out. Others were kind of struggling, so maybe they did me a favor and kind of helped me out a little bit. I don't know. And again, the little fin, it makes it kind of difficult to see where the little slant is. It looks like it's on this side. Okay, yeah, the slant is from the electrical outlet on this one, so it kind of looks that way on here, but it's uncertain. But it matches that one, so I'm gonna go with it. Yep, I'm gonna run with it. And again, I'm going to lay this down to where this little connector piece is, that it's going to connect to the extrusion and the other side, so it stays flat as possible. All right, it's all flat. Looks good. Now for this one, two more 60 millimeter screws. All right. So we have all these motors here. Now, what does it want from us? What does it want from us? Let's try and get these motors mounted. And it wanted us to mount these before, these idler pulleys, but I was waiting because I wanted to get these done and then go to the unit all at the same time. So that's why I built them, and then we'll go over to the unit and install all these. So to install these, I need a two M5 T-nuts per, and then M5 by 30. So I will go ahead and go get that. And you know what? 95 by 30. You know what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna call the video right here, because I want to go get set up in front of the unit versus just tell you, that I'm gonna move everything and save the time. I'll do it off camera. So I'm gonna move everything over to the unit, and then I'll go ahead and start another video to where we're actually installing it, and it'll be the final chapter of 2.1.2 Z, whatever chapter. I think it's 2.1.2 Z motor assembly / Z idler installation, and both of them can be installed all at once in one video. So stay tuned, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in a couple minutes in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.